Hi all. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up an Odoo19 development environment in Ubuntu. For that, I'm using an IDE called Cybrosys Assista. This one you can either download it from the Snap Store or you can simply download from its own website. So I'm going to download it from the Snap Store. As we know, Odoo has released its 19th version on GitHub. So this is the branch I am going to use. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to open the Cybrosys Assista app. For that, we have an option called either we can open an existing project. If we already download the source code of Odoo19, we can use the existing project option and select the directory. Since I'm not downloaded Odoo19, I'm just going to download it. I just need to select the Odoo version and the destination folder. I'm going to create a new directory here called Odoo projects. And I'm going to select that folder and just click on download. Now the IDE will fetch the latest code from the official GitHub repository of Odoo, and it will take some time. By using this, we don't need to download the repository separately or need to configuration. The manual configuration is not required, so everything can be done from the IDE itself. So we have cloned the Odoo repository. Now Odoo require an Odoo conf file to configuration to run Odoo. So these are the main details that required to run Odoo. We should have a Postgres database user and you should have a password, and we can specify the port which the Odoo going to run, and we can select the custom add-on path, the path which we have do the custom add-ons and modules. So if you have not set up the Postgres earlier, we have given a documentation here to check to do the Postgres installation, creation of Odoo user, etc. So since I have already installed Postgres, and we can just check that. Okay, so I have logged into Postgres user, and I can check the available Postgres user. Yes, I have already created a Postgres user called Odoo19 earlier. So I'm going to use that specific Postgres user. So it's Odoo19 and the password is Odoo19 itself. And I'm intending to run my Odoo19 in the port 8019. And I also need a custom add-on folder. So I created custom add-ons. Yes. And I have selected that folder and have confirmed that my configuration is confirmed. That's the important thing to configure Odoo is we need a Python environment. So with this item, we can easily set up a Python environment required for our Odoo. So for that, we need to select a basic Python in order to create a virtual environment. So before that, we need to do some prerequisites. So we have given a documentation here to set up and install the Python versions accordingly. Since I have already configured my Python 3.12, I am using Python 3.12 as the base interpreter. So I have confirmed that, and this is my debugger options. The Odoo bin has been the Python has been, this will be my Python path, and this is my Odoo bin path, and this is my configuration path. Okay, now I'm going to confirm this, and what exactly will happen is the IDE will create a Python wheel and will install all the required Python packages in order to run Odoo version 19. So these all will be do automatically, which make the user very much simpler for the deployment of the development environment. So we can wait while the Python packages as installed. Yes, all the Python package has been installed and the editor is open. Okay, so before running, we can check check and verify some options. We have the Odoo conf file here, and we have the HTTP port. We have the database user, and we in Odoo debugger we have the path of the Python path, bin path, and configuration file. And now we can just try to run that. And here's our log, and is running on the port 8019. Sorry, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to run it. Okay, since I have already created a DB for Odoo19 earlier, we can try create one more DB. Odoo19 test run. I'm going to do the admin and country. We can check the log. Yes, the data has been creating. Yes, and we can check the database name. Yes, it's Odoo19 test run. Now we can check the version of Odoo. Yes, it's Odoo19. So here's how you can simply create a development environment in Ubuntu 24. My OS is Ubuntu 24. You can follow the same steps in Ubuntu 22 also. Okay, now that's all. We can see in the next video. Bye.